Good morning, student. Today I will discuss the axioms related to the line and angles. There are two axioms in this exercise. First one is the axiom 6.1. It is given in your NCERT book. So, and previous chapter you already learned about the axiom and postulates. Actually, in axioms there is no need to prove. They are the geometrical proof. So, first axiom says if a ray stand on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angle so formed is 180 degree. This axiom said that a ray stand on a line, then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. It means this is a straight line. When a ray is stand on it, then the sum of these two adjacent angle is 180 degree. In your syllabus there is no need to prove, since this is the axioms, and just converse of that theorem. If the sum of two adjacent angle is the converse of this theorem is, if the sum of two adjacent angle, if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the ray stand on a line, then the ray stands on a line. Now see the second axioms, that is the 6.2. One more thing. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then they are called the linear pair of angle. See one more. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180, then they are called the linear pair of angle. Okay, these are the axioms. Now see one theorem that is very important for your chapter. Theorem. If two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertical opposite angle are equal. Then the vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the theorem. Theorem is, if two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angle are equal. This is the theorem. To prove any theorem, some certain step is there. First of all, you have to write the statement of the theorem. Second one, what given in theorem. After that, what we are going to prove. Next step, construction. After that, proof. So, firstly, given. What is given in the theorem? Read the theorem. If two lines intersect each other, AB and CD are the two lines, they intersect each other at point O. It is given. AB and CD are two lines, they intersect each other at O. So, A, B, C, D, and this is the O. To prove that, if two lines are intersect each other, then vertical opposite are angle. क्या प्रूफ करना है? This and this are equal. Angle AOD equal to angle BOC. First and second proof करना है. Angle AOC equal to angle BOD. This is true. Now, proof. AB is the line, and OD stands on it. OD stands on it. If AB is a line and OD stands on it, it means the sum of these two angles is 180. So write it. Angle BOD plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle. Now we can take these two. If CD is a line, and OA stands on it, then AOD plus angle AOC equal to 180. It is equation second, and this one is equation 1. Why? Linear pair of angle. Linear pair of angle. This is our figure A, B, C, D, and this is the proof. Dear student, AB is a line and OD stand on it. OD stands on it. Then the sum of this and this angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to 180 degree. It is equation 1. रीजन क्या होगा? लीनियर पेयर ऑफ एंगल. Similarly, if CD is a line and OA stand on it, then angle AOD plus this AOD plus AOC equal to 180 degree. It is equation second. Why? Because they are the linear pair of angle. From equation 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, we get this equal to 180, this equal to 180. So equating these two, angle AOD plus angle BOD equal to angle AOD plus angle AOC. AOD and AOD in both sides, so these are the cancel out. Now angle BOD equal to angle AOC. BOD this one and AOC this one. These two are the vertical opposite angle. Proved. Dear students, similarly you can prove it the second part. Similarly you have to try the proof the second part. Nothing is different. Okay? With the help of this concept, you can solve the exercise 6.1. In next video I will discuss the questions of exercise 6.1. Thank you.